Hi. You going for the Play-Doh pieces on the floor? Come over here. Come over here. Show me your move. Hi. Are you proud of yourself? Very good. Very good. Ollie, why are you smushing right now? Oh, Play-Doh popcorn? You know we're going to have to pick all of that up, right?
Because I like Play-Doh popcorn out here. And that was me being my favorite popcorn.
You'll see what?
That was Play-Doh popcorn for the duck.
Oh, you'll save the Play-Doh popcorn for the duck? You think Indy wants to feed the ducks too? I would love to feed the ducks. Thank you. Thanks, love.
I'll talk it on